Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants. We'd like to thank you for your time and review of this absolutely amazing pre-owned 42-inch horizontal Pratt Whitney precision rotary table. This happens to be serial number 29734, which is our stock number 660. This is a 42-inch diameter Pratt Whitney high precision rotary table that can be operated either by hand or motorized. When it's motorized, we have two different ways to go. We can either do it in an AC fashion or in a DC fashion. Frankie's going to show us how we're going to actually do both and easily switch in between the two. Please note, this is a T-slotted style rotary table. So again, it has power rotation off of an AC motor as well as a DC motor. And here's showing both with the electrics and the controls. Then we're going to show you the panel in just a minute that's inside of here. We've currently mounted it on the pallet next to the actual unit itself. That being said, I'm just going to back up a little bit here and we're going to go through some of the powering on the machine. Go ahead, Frank. Let's see what you got. Take this angle right here. Okay, in the DC, we can vary the speeds on the DC within the manufacturer's suggested speed ranges. Therefore, that would be the actual variance in an infinitely variable fashion of the rotation of the table in the DC fashion. You can see that we're doing it off of the varistor knob here. Let me have you speed it up one more time and I'll back up so we can see the table rotating.
Sure.
Okay, now if the insomnia is setting in on this video, we're going to go ahead and kick over from DC to AC, and then I'll explain the AC motorized rotation to you at that time. Yeah. Okay. As far as rotation in the AC, you'll note that it goes a much faster, much quicker speed. And I'm determining that this is basically used generally for quick positioning, for dialing in of large workpiece items, and also for rapid moves based upon where you want to get to in a hurry and then get your part and job set up for locationing and positioning and dialing in. And again, the AC is based upon the manufacturer's suggested speed range. So let's see, one other thing we want to point out, the power. Let's see, the power, we're done. Let's point out the manual rotation. You can also crank it by hand. Okay, you'll note that Frankie's cranking it. I'm going to dial in really close on the actual table. So this is for fine feed. The overall weight on this table is about 4,800 pounds. It's physically 66 inches length by 48 wide by just under 10 inches tall. It's 9.5 inches overall height. I'm going to come off of the tripod and we're going to take a quick conditional preview. And we're also going to take a look inside of the electrical panel. Okay, it's a 48 inch. I just called it a 48 inches. Is it a 42 or 48? Sorry. Manufacturer serial number 29734. Well, 42, sorry. Or 42 inch. I want to point out the overall condition of the T-slots. going in and showing all of the graduations on the vernier scale, and it's this nice all the way around. This came to us from Long Time Storage. It came out of an aerospace facility. Absolutely fantastic condition. Okay, let's talk more action. We got the rotary table. It's T-slotted. We've got it sitting on a couple of heavy-duty wooden pallets. Here's the electrical control panel. It's currently wired at high voltage. It's a 480 volts, 3-phase. All very common, easily replaced items. American made, sitting on a pendant. So this pendant would sit off to the side. Here's the cord running to the pendant. And then for the hand controller, that's coming off of a pigtail style cord that extends out quite a ways. Getting up close on the DC and the AC motor. Okay, one last shot of the DC controller and the manufacturer's tag. Well, on behalf of Machinery Consultants, we'd like to thank you for your time and review of this high-quality 42-inch horizontal precision rotary table. If there's any questions we can answer, please feel free to give us a call at 801-531-9500. We're out in Salt Lake City, Utah, as well as our website is www.machineryconsultants.com. Thanks again for your time and have a great day.